a world of endless possibilities.
Chemical engineer.
Ooh.
I studied chemical engineering at KNUST. So whilst I started, I was still working with Unilever, but in December 2019, I resigned.
In ATVEX sector. In part 1, we met Christabel, a woman that proves our funds and natural resources can power a thriving business. From a sun skin disorder to a thriving cosmetic business. In case you missed part 1, here's a quick recap.
Now, right here in Accra, Ghana, a young woman has turned shea butter into more than skincare. She's turned it into a business opportunity with limitless potential.
So my name is Christabel Ofori. I'm a chemical engineer.
Ooh.
I studied chemical engineering at KNUST. So whilst I started, I was still working with Unilever, but in December 2019, I resigned. I wanted to focus full-time on this. Everything we use is 100% natural and plant-based. So yes, shea butter, baobab, coconut, and plant botanicals. Our shea butter, we've partnered directly with women processors in Tamale and Bolga.
For you, what was the starting capital like?
It was less than 500 cedis.
Ooh.
Yes. Start small and grow organically. Sometimes these small businesses start and they already want to be in 100 shops.
Yeah.
They want to be in the best car. So just start small and keep going. Number 2, be resilient and hardworking. Like, the challenges are going to come, but you have to have the mindset that it's either growing or it's growing. Like, there's no quitting.
Let's go. Produce it, process it, distribute it. I go make it just to feed my own. I go do it.
To every striving business, there is a task force behind that makes the dream work. And for Flow Care Beauty, these two are part of that dream. We got our first one. She's whipping and stirring some butter. My love, how are you doing? What's your name?
Winifred Ambati.
Okay, so Winifred, what do you do at Flow Care?
Okay, so here at Floke, I'm the production manager and also the inventory manager.
Oh, okay. What does that mean, production and inventory?
So production, we formulate the product, and also with the inventory, I take stock of the raw materials and also the packaging material and the finished product on the shelf.
Okay. Well, I saw you doing some. What are you doing right now?
So this is shea butter. We have to whip it to this stage so that we can be able to add our essential oils and also the carrier oils.
Wow. Now that I'm having this conversation, just hold on for me. I see another one with a huge book and a silver pen. My love, how are you doing? What's your name?
My name is Rachel MacArthur.
Oh, hey, Rich. Rachel, your name is Rachel MacArthur. Rachel, how long have you also been working at Flow Care?
I think for 3 months now.
3 months. How did you even start working here?
So I came across a job vacancy from Flow Care Beauty, and I went online to search about what they do, and I think I loved it, so I applied. I came for a couple of interviews and then coming in now.
Wow. Okay. And what do you do at Flow Care?
So
I see you with book. I see Cash Momo. Cash Momo. That means money woman. She has money. So what do you do here?
So I'm the customer care and admin here. I attend to the customers. I take their orders. I package it, and then I send it to them through delivery.
What is the sweetest part about your job?
The sweetest part. Yeah, I'm always interested. Like I'm interested in the orders. So anytime, and also and also the reviews. I like reviews a lot, whether negative or positive.
Winifred, what is the sweetest part about your job? I mean, you've told us the hardest part is getting in touch with your suppliers and everything. What is the sweetest part about your job?
Okay, so I would say I'm a type of person who like to do DIYs. So with this, producing the butters and also the other products, and when I'm done with it and I package them and place them at the shelves, I feel like, oh wow, I've been able to do this. So sometimes I feel happy for doing something like this.
That's amazing. And for you, Rachel, for you, what's the hardest part about your job? I mean, taking orders, I feel like it could be confusing sometimes. So what is the hardest part about your job?
So to me, the hardest part would be like with the customers. Sometimes they have frustrated customers, not even because of their orders, but they already have their personal. So if you don't know, maybe by one mistake you mess their order up, you can't take it easy with them. So sometimes it comes from there, and then also the delivery guys. Maybe sometimes they delay, especially when you are delivering a package going to somewhere outside Accra. Yeah, it's a bit stressful with the delivery guys. So yeah, that's all for me.
With the kind of experience that you have garnered, I mean, you said just 3 months, but I feel like 3 months is enough to garner in somewhat of an experience. If you did move on from flow care, what would you carry with you?
I think this is my first customer care experience, and it's been good. Yes, it's been good so far. But I think it has also helped me to know how to relate with other people. Yeah, so I think it will help me in my next move, even if it's not about customer care.
Rachel and Winifred, thank you so much for talking to us. You've heard from two of the workforce from Flow Care Beauty. You've heard it all. Like, I don't even have to say too much. But like I told you, if you have any idea in your head and you want help, you want to share it with us, just dial *718 *50# or call or WhatsApp the Springboard Call Center on the number 0308-255-775. This is Ghana Grows Edwuma, brought to you by MasterCard Foundation in partnership with Springboard Social Foundation. We're going on a short commercial break. We'll be right back.
At 17, my dad involved me in the family business. I noticed we had some irrigation issues, and I decided to not only help, but to innovate how to build a soil moisture sensor. My innovation won me a grant to scale up. Today, that innovation is growing into a thriving tech company, employing a diverse team and automating our family farm, transforming it into one of Ghana's leading pineapple suppliers. And now, Ghana's premier pineapple drink producer. Next, the world.
Take advantage of agribusiness through the Ghana Grows program. Ghana Grows, Hope Day.
Hi, my name is Victoria Loisofori, and I'm the social media and marketing manager. Okay, so being the marketing and social media manager for Flowcare, it's fun, interesting, and a bit challenging. So some of the challenges are, trying to bring up engaging content for social media. You have to always be active because you have to represent the brand at exhibitions, at fairs, try and build customer relationships. So you just have to have Flowcare in the back of your mind every day, every time, anywhere. The small thing I'll tell everyone watching is to be prayerful. And there are a lot of opportunities out there, especially on social media, because the social media is everywhere nowadays. So be on the lookout for the creative posters, jobs, and build yourself up to be able to take on those jobs. Just be hardworking. Put your mind to it and tell yourself, I can do it. There's no stopping, there's no backing down. So when my sister, Christabel, told me she was going to resign from Unilever, the first thing I said was, pardon? It was just shocking. But then when, she bought her first batch of shea butter, it worked for the son, I think I was convinced there and then. And I was like, yeah, aside me helping you in your business, I'm also your sister. So any decision you take, I'm just there to support. What?
The Springboard Roadshow Foundation invites you, our cherished viewers and listeners, to share your experiences. We would like to know how these programs, Springboard Your Virtual University, Springboard Hangout with Comfort Okran, and Ghana Grows Edwuma have influenced you so far. We would like to know the lessons you've learned, how you have applied the lessons to your lives, and the differences these programs have made in your life so far. So call us to participate in this survey. Kindly call 0308 255 775. We look forward to hearing from you. Together, let's keep building. Ghana Goes Hope Day.
Now, Flow Care Beauty, what is the future looking like for you?
So the future is super bright for Flow Care Beauty. We want to become a household name. Our vision is to be among the top 5 natural African-based brands,
period,
but that are on the global level. So like I mentioned, we already export to a few countries. We do US, UK, Turkey, Nigeria.
Yes. US, UK, Turkey, Nigeria.
Yes. Cote d'Ivoire, we are still starting out. We are there, here and there. We need to transform a lot of our translation to like French.
Oh, don't worry, I can help you with that. I'm a French woman.
We actually have a French person, so she's working.
She's working on that.
So we want to be in every home on the continent and even out of the continent. That's the future. And we are looking to like collaborate with especially distribution houses, retail shops, investors who want to see authentic African-made products get on the global stage.
That's amazing. Now, can you tell us, just to wrap up, some of the products that you have? I've already mentioned the sweet oatmeal soap because that's the one that I like oats. So that's the one that I keep mentioning. So what are some of the products that one would find at Flow Care Beauty?
So our products are in 4 main categories. Because I started with my son, we have the baby range, which is like my heartbeat. So we are one of the few Ghanaian brands that have like a dedicated baby care range, 100% natural. So we have our baby care range, which comes with like baby oil, baby wash, baby body butter, baby hair growth butter. Then we have our face care range, because the mothers were also looking for something simple but effective. They don't have the time for like 10 skincare steps just to glow. I mean, as a child, your skin sort of goes on a break and you need to rejuvenate. So our tagline is nourishing and rejuvenating. So we have our face care range. We have face serum, face scrub, face wash. In our face care range, we have our innovative and best-selling tomato glow soap.
Tomatoes. I didn't know we can make soap out of tomato. When you say tomato, the only thing I can think of is stew and jollof rice.
Yes, so in our face care range, we have the tomato soap and our charcoal soap. So like, for example, you mentioned people with oily skin. We always recommend the charcoal soap. It has charcoal, it has neem, orange, etc. And then, in the baby range, we also have our cucumber soap made with real cucumbers and moringa.
Oh, cucumber.
And then we have the hair range. We have hair wash, conditioner, hair growth butter, hair growth oil.
Is it for only natural hair one? Me, I have natural hair.
Once we are anointed, we are good.
We're good.
And then we have the body care. So in that, we have our scented shea butters. We have our body wash. Our African black soap is one of the best. So it doesn't dry out the skin. It has shea butter. It has honey. It's sweet. It has all the good stuff.
If you say it's sweet, if I buy it, I'll go and taste it at all.
So that's the body care range. But like I said, we also have like the raw shea butter that we sell. People, but when Ghanaians are traveling abroad, they want to go with their own stash of shea butter and do their own DIYs. We have that, and we also sell in bulk to businesses. So there are some skincare businesses that buy their shea butter directly from us. And then the black soap as well.
Quick question. If I was here with you at the shop and somebody walked in, would they be able to tell you, okay, these are my skin concerns, and you'll be able to advise them on which of the products that you have that they can use?
Yes, that's exactly what we do. So one of the ways we are unique is that I've tried to create products that are simple but effective and tackle 3 main skin types. So of course we have the normal skin type, but because I started because of my son's dry and sensitive skin, our products tackle dry skin, sensitive skin, and problem skin like acne, breakout, etc. So we've created products for each of these types. So if you walked in and you were struggling with blemishes, hyperpigmentation, there are products we'll recommend. If you have oily skin, there are products we formulated to tackle that. If you are struggling with like hair growth, we have products for that. And the whole team has been like oriented on that. So once you walk in, they know what to recommend based on the problem you're having.
Yes, I got my Flow Care Beauty has hooked me up. From the farmer to the finished product, Flow Care Beauty has proven that Ghana's natural wealth can create employment, innovation, and impact. Today's conversation is one for the book. I have learned so much from it and I have derived so much motivation from it. If you want to be a part of this program, just dial *718*50# or call or WhatsApp the Springboard Call Center on the number 0308 255 775. My name is Yabita and this has been Ghana